If you find a rock with golden flecks in the mountains, don't rush to think you've struck it rich. To smelt it out, first place the larger chunk into a stone mortar and crush it down with a stone mallet into gravel, then grind it repeatedly using a stone mill until it turns into fine mineral sand. At this point, the gold is still mixed with silt and gravel. You can't separate it cleanly with your bare eyes alone. Next, pour the mineral sand into a shallow wooden pan, add water, and swirl it gently. The lighter silt is carried away bit by bit with the water flow. After panning multiple times, the heavier particles settle at the bottom, leaving only a layer of black sand containing the tiny gold grains. Collect this heavy concentrate in a clay dish, and one stride, pour it into a fireproof crucible. Bury the crucible in hot charcoal while continuously pumping the side bellows to stoke the furnace fire. As the mineral sand heats up and melts, lighter impurities float to the top while heavy metal sinks to the bottom. When the timing is right, scrape off the black slag from the surface, leaving behind a rough metallic lump. It looks yellow, but it isn't pure gold yet. It often contains silver, copper, and other impurities. Next, hammer the raw gold thin, cut it into pieces, mix it with coarse salt and fine brick dust, and put it inside a clay pot. Seal the clay pot tightly and fire it in the furnace. The salt and brick powder will draw out the impurities. Break open the clay pot, pour the contents through a copper sieve, and put the purified gold back into the crucible to melt again. Pour the molten gold into a stone mold. Once fully cooled, crack open the mold. Now you finally have a solid gold bar. If you ever travel back in time and find this kind of ore, don't rush to sell it. Learn this whole process first.